Now, let's get to this important part of adding media file into our websites. Now, when I say adding media files to our websites, I'm talking about adding images and videos. So, if you remember very carefully, if you remember the earlier videos that we saw, whenever we had to add images to our website, there were two options. The first one was upload an image, the second one was media library. So I also told you that uploading images via media file is always appreciated. So here is why I'm going to tell you what is the reason, why is the reason that I actually told you that way. So how do we first add images to our media files? I go to my control panel over here. So the media file will be there over here. So go to sites. So you have a lot of options like pages, posts and all these things. Go to media. As and well the media opens, right, you have different options like so just give it as next. It's going to give you a general interface of how things are going to look. So let's say you have to upload an image over here, so add new, right? So let's say if it's an image that you want to add, I'll just select image, so I'll give it as add new. It's going to give me some options, so I'll just take some random picture over here. So let's say this is the image that I need to add, so I'll give choose. So here it is getting added over here, it is getting uploaded. So once it is getting uploaded, I need to edit it. So I go to edit. So what I want you guys to understand is this: as and when you guys upload an image, always have this habit of editing it. What is this editing? Now see, Google search, whenever you search it, the Google search engine doesn't actually analyze the video. Rather, it analyzes what is the description and information given about that video. This is going to help you out with your search engine optimization. So let's say this is an image. I'm just going to give this image as coding with C and C++. So the title for this image is coding with C and C++. So what will Google understand over here, or any other search engine will understand over here, is this: this image is relevant to coding with C and C++. I mean, just it's a random title that I have given. If you want to give a caption over here, you can give a caption like the best way to code using C and C++. That's another caption. If someone searches using a caption, they get it. Alternate text. So what is an alternate text? I'm pretty much sure you guys would have seen it. If you are having poor internet connection, the entire page might not get loaded, but rather wherever there is an image, you might actually get a single line description or an information about that. So an alternate text might be simple. You can give something relevant to this image again. Again, I'm just going to put the same title as my alternate text also over here, just like coding with C and C++. Now you can actually give a detailed description about this particular image. So the description is what the Google is actually going to read and analyze. So whenever someone is actually going to search for best way of coding using C and C++, they will actually get this. The Google will also search or go through this particular image. So I can give something like this: this is the best way to code using C and C++. Here the user will have a detailed understanding of these languages, right? It's a description. So there you go, done. I'm just going to upload it. Now how do I upload it? It's very simple. So there, if let's say I'm going to go to pages, I go to let's say home, I need a place where I'm going to upload that image. So you will have a particular place where you're going to upload that particular image, right? So the WordPress is actually going to give you some storage where you can actually keep these images in your memory. So let me go to the place. Let's say this is a blog which I'm actually going to do it. I'm going to add an image. So there it's going to give you an option. So is it from media, or is it going to be upload, or is it going to be media library? So I'm going to select media library. So this is the image which I want to upload. So I'm going to give it as insert. There you go, the image is now uploaded. So that is how simple it is. Now I'm just going to switch to draft, or I'll just give it as update. I just updated it. So I go back. So going back to media again over here. So let's just give it as quit this time because I've already been through it. So I can also upload documents. It could be PDF documents, it could be some very important PDF or slide documents which you want to upload over here. You can actually upload that. So see, as I told you, WordPress is giving you up to 3 GB space for uploading it. So as and when you are actually taking some premium account, see, now I have taken a sample account to teach you guys over here. But if you are someone who's actually purchased, given some money and purchased a personal or business or e-commerce, so your storage is going to increase. The WordPress will give you up to like what, around 25-30 GBs of storage. You can also upload video files over here. You can also upload audio files over here, right? So this is very important. So always have this habit of inserting images into your website through media files. Do not upload directly like that, because if you directly upload it, Google will not actually see that. But if you upload through media file, you already given some captions, informations, like couple of, like as simple as like how you mentioned hashtags, right? Whenever you give a hashtag, so Google will understand, like when whoever are following that hashtag, they are going to get your content. So similar to that, whenever people are searching with those keywords which you have mentioned in this particular for this image over here, so Google will actually show this particular page to the user. So hope you guys understood this particular part of media. So make sure that you guys do this and experiment with your website, right, and see if you have any doubts. So if you have any doubt regarding this media file or any other part of the explanation that we gave till now, there is an email ID mentioned in the description. You can send us an email, and if the doubt is very hard for us to clarify it for you via email, then you can always give us your contact number. Our subject matter expert will get in touch with you and help you rectify those doubts and clarify all your queries over here. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe for this video. We have a lot of videos coming up for you guys.